Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Morgan Morris. I am a certified Usui and Holy Fire Reiki Practitioner here in Alberta, Canada. And I do also offer services worldwide, as with Reiki, distance is a wonderful option. My business name is Inner Wellness here. I offer holistic massage, distance and in-person Reiki, as well as distance and in-person card readings. I wanted to make a video going over Reiki chakra alignment and the benefits that come with that, kind of what it is, and how Reiki could help you. I do want to apologize in advance. You may see me glancing at my notes quite a bit. Public speaking isn't very much a strong suit of mine yet, as I'm very new to this, but my intention is there. I wrote down my notes, what I want to say, and so regardless of that, this is something that is very important to me, that I'm very passionate about, and I'm just so excited to share with everybody. So with that being said, I will just get into it. Have you ever felt out of balance, a sense of unease, a persistent lack of energy, or like you have no energy, but at the same time you just want to go? In our fast-paced world, it's easy to feel disconnected from ourselves, from the people around us, things that are important to us, and that's not ideal. We can feel disconnected from our inner selves, and that just creates, a whole other world of problems. But what if there was a way to restore that balance, to tap into universal life energy that promotes healing and well-being? Today we're going to explore the beautiful practice of Reiki. Originating in Japan, Reiki is a gentle yet powerful healing technique that translates to universal life force energy. It's a holistic practice that addresses the mind, body, spirit, promoting relaxation, reducing stress, and encouraging the body's natural healing abilities. Studies have shown that Reiki can help improve time when recovering from injuries, surgeries. It can help side effects or symptoms from illnesses, treatments, things like that. There is still studies going on. There's still a lot of studies to be done, but many clients have made those reports, and that's just such a beautiful thing that Reiki can help with things like that, right? So a certified Reiki practitioner acts as a conduit for this universal energy, channeling it through their hands to the recipient. There is no manipulation, no pressure, and it's just a gentle laying of the hands or hovering it slightly above. And even it can work from a distance. So if you're on another continent, your Reiki practitioner can still help you, because Reiki doesn't know time and space. That's not a concept for Reiki, and it's all about intention and the recipient being open to receiving that energy. The energy then flows to where it's most needed, supporting our balance and well-being. To truly understand Reiki, we need to grasp the concept of ki, which is the vital life force energy that flows through all living things. Think of it like the air you breathe, invisible but essential. When our ki is strong and flowing freely, we feel vibrant, healthy, and happy. But when it becomes blocked or depleted, we might experience physical pain, emotional distress, or mental fogginess. Reiki helps to clear these blockages and to restore the natural flowing of ki, which allows your body to return to its optimal state of health and harmony. Now let's delve deeper into how this energy flows within us. This brings us to the fascinating concept of the chakras. Some people say chakra, others say chakra. There's no right or wrong here. So our chakras are energy centers located along the central axis of our body. And so they go from the base of our spine to just above the head, which we call the crown, okay? There are many minor chakras throughout the body, but we typically focus on the 7 main ones, and each one is associated with specific physical, emotional, or spiritual functions. So we have our root chakra, which is at the base of our spine, and this chakra is the foundation. It connects us to the earth, providing a sense of stability, security, and belonging. And when it's balanced, we feel grounded and safe. Moving up just below the navel, we have our sacral chakra. This is the center of creativity, passion, emotions, and pleasure. A balanced sacral chakra allows for healthy relationships and emotional expression. Just above the navel, in our upper abdomen is our solar plexus. And this one governs our personal power, our self-esteem, and our confidence. When this is strong, we feel empowered and purposeful, and we are confident, and we are just good. We've got this. We're ready to take on anything. And then in the center of our chest, we have our heart chakra. This is the bridge between our physical and our spiritual selves, the center of love, compassion, forgiveness, and joy. An open heart chakra allows us to give and receive love freely. And then at the throat, this is the hub of communication, self-expression. A balanced throat chakra allows us to speak our truth with clarity and authenticity. And that is so, so important. And that itself can actually kind of cause a ripple effect. Realistically, each chakra can create a ripple effect, right? But it's just amazing the difference just being able to speak our truth can make in other aspects of our well-being. And then between our eyebrows, we have our third eye, okay? And this is the center of our intuition, psychic abilities, insight, and wisdom. And an activated third eye brings clarity and spiritual awareness. And then finally, at the very top of our head, just above, we have our crown chakra. This is our connection to universal consciousness, spirituality, and divine wisdom. A balanced crown fosters a sense of unity and enlightenment. So how do Reiki and chakras work together? When you receive a Reiki treatment, the universal life energy gently flows to each of these chakra points, clearing any stagnation or blockages. It's like untangling a knot, allowing the energy to flow smoothly once again. We intuitively sense where energy is needed, often focusing on specific chakras that appear to be imbalanced. And we want to restore harmony to these centers. And by doing that, Reiki helps to alleviate physical symptoms, balance emotion, and bring a greater sense of peace and clarity to your life. I work with clients who want to heal their inner child, heal from trauma, rather recent or past life issues. Some of my clients just simply want to relax and get good sleeps. Some want to, so there's nothing too small, okay? There's always going to be great benefit from Reiki. And that's what I love about it. It can help from just getting some really good sleep to helping in bigger aspects of your life that you're really struggling with. And the benefits of regular Reiki sessions and balanced chakras are profound. You might experience reduced stress and anxiety, improved sleep, enhanced emotional well-being, increased creativity, and even a stronger immune system. Many people report feeling more centered, joyful, and connected to their purpose after receiving Reiki. It is important, though, to remember that it is not a substitute for conventional medical treatment, okay? It is rather a complementary therapy that supports your overall health journey, bringing your mind, body, and spirit into beautiful alignment. Reiki and chakra alignment offer a powerful path to inner harmony and holistic healing. If you're curious to experience this gentle energy for yourself, I strongly encourage you to seek out a certified Reiki practitioner, either in your area or not in your area, just somebody that you connect with and really feel aligned with. For some people, that may take sessions with a few different practitioners to find one that they really feel that connection with. Others, they may find it right away. What's important is just that you find somebody who aligns best with you. Now, with that being said, I want to thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the beautiful world of Reiki. May your path be filled with peace, balance, and vibrant energy. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a wonderful day.